Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I am going to compare the display quality between the Realme X2 versus Realme X versus Realme X2 Pro. So all the three phones are from the Realme X series. So I just want to compare the which display has a very better saturation colors and better contrast levels, and let's compare side by side how it performs with a full brightness and low brightness, which is better. So in this video, I'll be playing the same video in all the three smartphones. So you can check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of display comparisons. So where I did plenty of videos. So right now you can see here. So the first will be the Realme X, Realme X2 and the Realme X2 Pro device. So right now I'm using the full brightness in all the three smartphones, as you can see here. So three smartphones are having the different display technologies, like all of them are AMOLED. But the Realme X2 Pro has got a little bit of high advantage in terms of the display qualities, like having the HDR10 certified and having the 90Hz refresh rate. So right now you can see your friends in this video. So I'm playing the same video in all the three smartphones, which is of 1080 resolution video. Right now I'm playing in on the three smartphones. So here you can observe the clear difference between all the three phones side by side. So do comment below, friends, which display you're feeling better in terms of the quality. So overall, in terms of the display, the Realme X has got one advantage, is that it has got the full screen experience, as you can see here clearly. And the Realme X2 has got very minimal bezels in the bottom. If you notice in the bottom, Realme X2 Pro. And even the top notch is little bit not that wider as a Realme X2 device. You can see here side by side. So out of three smartphones, the Realme X2 has got a little bit of small display, which is 6.4 inches. So right now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10% in all the three smartphones, and let's check which phone will be brighter. So as you can see here, friends, clearly the Realme X2 has got very good high brightness levels when compared with the other small phones like Realme X and Realme X2 Pro. Sorry, Realme X2. So the Pro version has got one advantage with the brightness levels. So let me decrease down to 5 and let's see will it make a difference in Realme X2 and Realme X. So as you can see here, friends, as soon as I started to decrease the brightness levels, you can observe clearly the Realme X2 Pro has got a very good advantage in terms of the screen brightness. So where the Realme claims it can have the 1000 nits of auto brightness if you are using under direct sunlight. I think it plays a crucial role in right now. So let me try to decrease more to 0 and let's see which phone has got advantage. So as you can see here, friends, even in the 0%, so personally when I look at that, all the three smartphones are very low in terms of the brightness. But the Realme X2 Pro has got slightly advantage. So overall, friends, all the three smartphones are having the very good displays. So irrespective of their price range, so you can see the Realme X and Realme X2 are pretty close to each other in terms of the display. So there is not much difference in between Realme X and Realme X2, but the only difference with the Pro version is that you get the extra brightness levels and high brightness levels in the Realme X2 Pro when you compare with the normal X and X2 model. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, and also do check the links in description for the playlist, so where you can find plenty of videos related to all the three smartphones. So that's it for this video, friends. I just want to cover all the Realme display phones side by side, and I just want to check which display is better and why. So here we got the answer. The Realme X2 Pro display is ultimate with the brightness levels, and later with the Realme X and X2 on the same side. So that's it for this video, friends, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.